Oh my gosh. That's it. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be playing Animal Royale. Okay?
Random bubble.
Yo guys, so yes bro, yes, thank you. Oh.
Yo, teammate. We should do this one. Yeah.
Yes!
Match starting. Round starting.
Yo, teammate. Teammate. Get up, boom! Right! Boom! Bitch!
I just clenched up in my neck.
My teammates. Yo, teammate. Go.
Round starting.
Wait. Bro, that's not fair. I don't even have a
Round
teammate.
starting.
Come here. I want them cheeks. Come here.
Hey, don't mess with him.
No, bet. Get on. Boom.
Round starting.
No! Stop! Please!
Where's the scaredy cat?
I hate you. Oh, God. Okay, look, guys.
Round starting.
No teaming. Look, right? Bro, that's not fair. Like, y'all just jumped me. No, be quiet before I shove my finger up your butt. What am I talking about? Like, no, I want this team. Like, y'all. I hate y'all.
I want to
Reeling and designer and
That's the same thing that happened to you, buddy? That's the same thing
How do I puke my...
Oh, they cost
How do I
800.
puke this? 800? Classic shotgun.
The regular one. I hate them.
Good.
my balls.
Where's Iron Bro?
If you keep saying run, we're not gonna do anything. Nothing's gonna happen if you keep saying run. You gotta keep eating. I didn't say run.
Bro, I just played this game. I'm new.
Cool.
Yeah,
I am too. This is my first time playing.
Yeah, me too, but
Think I died.
All I know is equip your gun and shoot them dead.
Yeah, that's all I know too. And cut the cheeks.
Oh, shoot.
Get up.
Shots fired. I'm hiding. Oh, I died.
Them cheeks. Get them. Molest them.
I shot him. I got
Shots fired.
Frick you! Cease fire. I got one.
Damn it.
Winning.
We're literally... Run!
Yeah, you thought you could run?
Got her! Oh, no, they're back.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm on their tail.
Okay.
Hold up.
Wall up.
Oh, yeah, you got him, Tim.
Who's this?
Hmm?
I'm going.
Oh, get up. Boom. pew, 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 pew.
Reload, reload! Oh, I gotta run! I gotta run!
I need help.
Someone at wall!
I'm going another way.
Man, I thought he was Woolard.
Get off.
Man, I thought I was EBK. I said, stop running, Wool.
In your face, boy!
Man, give me that watermelon.
You fucking shit like that. No, y'all wanna play? Y'all wanna play, huh?
Yeah, we wanna play. That's why we're here.
Yeah, who do you think you are?
Oh, bet.
I think I'm a human. Yo, red.
What?
I've never played before.
Well, me neither. This is my first time playing.
Yeah, I just started. All I know what to do is just shoot stuff. Yeah, just pull the trigger and shoot people. Shoot them. That's all I know.
Hey, double team.
Shoot them till they're dead.
Double team on the bottom. Double team on the bottom. Hey, we
Oh,
have to
kill
team
them and
it
shoot them
now.
till they're dead. That's all you need to know. Go.
Oh my god, bro. This kid is over.
Cheater!
All you know is that if you see an enemy, shoot them.
You're hacking. That's not play. Check.
Ah! Bro,
No.
there's someone down there.
Bring them cheeks to me. I want them black. It don't matter if. Oh, Willati!
And are you still talking? There's a
Ow, ow.
Give me that watermelon. My cheeks hurt. My cheeks hurt. Please, my cheeks.
Your cheeks hurt? What? Oh, no, his like cheek on his face hurt.
Yeah,
I thought he said his cheeks hurt.
yeah, my cheeks hurt.
Hey, we have a click.
Oh, I'm gonna get shot. Boom, boom. Oh, I'm gonna get clapped. Someone at wall.
Everybody get in there. Get in there. Everybody get
Give me them cheeks. Come here. Come here.
Yeah. High ground.
Oh,
Oh, dang it.
I don't know why.
That scared the shit out of me. I farted a bit.
I don't know what Mama Mia said.
Okay, let's go up here.
Game on Funky Rivals.
Okay. My butt! Red Christmas cheeks.
I never talked about my life.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna pop all y'all.
Ah! Ah! Monster!
You really thought you were
I never said it. I really never thought.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Bye!